vlog. I don't even think we introed this video, but
we did it.
Came to Baltimore.
We did it.
Came to Baltimore.
We are going to brunch. Baltimore brunching. Who got the least? Who got the least?
Amanda. I think
it's Marlene. Randomly does Baltimore.
Salud.
Cheers. You see that? Done. Done. You ever go to Baltimore? Go to Spoons. Get the piece. So good. I'm speechless.
You need to vlog the food.
It was so good. Marlene said possibly the best brunch she's ever had in her life. And she's from New York. New York is all about brunch.
This is delicious.
True friendship. You do the most for the fire flicks. Always do the most. Oh, look at that. Oh, angles. It's all about the angles.
You think that the girls are the only ones who take fire flicks. That's a lie.
This is Amanda's only requirement. Are you excited?
I'm so excited. This is my one request for coming to Baltimore. I needed to come to the aquarium. It's the National Aquarium.
There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want. Playing games, no. There's no denying what we want. There's no denying what we want.
So if anyone knows me and Amanda, you know that we want to try to visit every single baseball stadium in the United States. So far I think we have 7, and we're gonna check off another one today. We're going to Camden Yards, aka Oriole Park. Are you excited?
I'm just in this for the ice cream.
I'm pretty excited. And they're playing the Yankees, so it's just like double goodness. Cheers. So there's like a whole outside section, but you're not outside of the stadium, but you're still in the stadium. This is dope. I've never seen this before. Let's go Yankees! We got a lot of fans out here. Here we
got
go.
a little Yankee corner over here.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, baby! Let's go! Woo! That's right! No trip to Aina Stadium is complete without the ice cream helmet. There it is. Adding it to our collection. Only 22 more to go. Ain't no way it's a shame. Cause it's 1, 2, 3 strikes you're out at the O.
You're kidding. That's fucking sick. Yeah, I just cursed. Put that on the blog.
Marlene just by her lonesome.
There wasn't any more space on the bench.
Hey guys.
We could be a family.
Hey guys. Hey. Hey.
We came out early specifically so that Josh could drone, and we just found out that he has to download software. We don't even know if it's a flying zone.
I'm never gonna eat brunch.
Artie's getting hangry. Look at the
I'm
face.
getting super hangry, bro.
Stay tuned.
Every brunch at 10:30. Never.
All the time.
Never.
No, our usual brunch time is like,
It's like
4
2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're on a
Brunch.
tight schedule.
Stay tuned to see if we make it to brunch,
Yeah,
and 2 if
Oh,
Josh
God,
can even
sure.
drone. We have to brunch no later than like 11:30.
Should we go? Should we just go to
The boats and hoes.
No. Fucking do your thing. Come on.
Sorry.
That's going. Should we go to
Wait,
the boat
so I
house?
can't curse at all for these vlogs?
I mean, yeah, you could curse. We'll bleep it out. We'll figure that out.
So if I say like fuck shit, fuck.
You want to say boats and hoes again?
Boats and hoes.
Should that be our title?
I can't do it.
Baltimore boats and hoes.
Baltimore brunch, booze, boats, and hoes.
Moment of truth. Oh, it is a flying zone.
Yeah.
It's not a flying zone.
You are approaching a restricted zone. Restricted zone. Baltimore City Juvenile Justice Center.
Oh, where is that?
Close enough.
Oh, that sucks.
Last day, and of course we saw these and we couldn't not do dragon paddle boats.
That we going under.
Specifically on my side, which means I'm the big boy.
There's one on my side too. I feel like we are not going anywhere. Hey, see Captain Josh here. We got some water in the boat, specifically on Artie's side.
Thinking.
So if you find this tape, I may or may not be alive.
This shit sucks.
Look at Captain Artie. Look at him. Look how happy he is.
Not happy at all. Son, there is a full-on fucking pool in my side, bro. Why is there a full pool?
I don't know if you can get a full picture of what we're doing, but essentially we're on one of these things. The boys are the captain.
I will say this is making me wild hungry.
You're getting your cardio in before a nice, healthy brunch. Yeah. And by healthy,
I don't know about healthy.
large
Yeah.
Yeah. Healthy inside. Step 2 to today's plan is to get brunch at
Blue Moon 2. Because Blue Moon 1 was closed. Ain't nobody told us.
Hopefully the food is good because it is an hour wait. You guys ready?
I'm very hungry, but I'm gonna keep a professional face.
I'm gonna try to read some love poems from married people.
Okay. We're in, guys. So we, baby, Jesus, we bound to eat.
The food has arrived, and as you can see, we were hungry. We got some things to share, some things for ourselves. Let's dig in, guys.
The verdict is, although Blue Moon was good, if you only have one brunch day in Baltimore, go to Spoons.
Go to Spoons.
Spoons? Spoons? Spoons wins, hands down.
So we've made it to our last activity of the weekend. We are at Sagamore Spirit Distillery to do a tour. This was Artie's pick. I think we all had a pick except for
Me. I just come along for the ride.
because Josh's was the baseball game, mine was the aquarium, and Artie wanted to come here. For right now we're enjoying some time just on these little tables and chairs because this is super cute. This is really cute out here actually. I almost wish we came here. That's really nice.
You can see us down there in Sagamore Spirit, Port Covington, where we are right now. And about 22 miles north along that highlighted interstate you see right there goes up to Sagamore Farm. So I mentioned downstairs, the first part of this process is to mill those grains down. That happens in the room beyond that mash cooker. Oh yeah, it's right off there, it's not that bad. I put worse in it. Yeah.
I'm gonna do it.
The first step is the seam portion. So what I do, you can like swirl the whiskey around your glass a little bit. Yeah, the next part can be the smelling portion. So when you go to smell it, I recommend keep your mouth on this a little bit.
Kanpai. Someone went to Japan.
We came to Baltimore
We came, we saw the concert.
and we're leaving.
We had a nice little weekend. Time to go back home. I had fun. Did you have fun?
I like Baltimore.